So bank account records. It's important to keep track of the money in your account, whether you use ATMs, online banking, or full service transactions. To do this, you need to maintain a transaction record. This can be done manually or with a computer software package like Quicken. We will use manual recording option here. And the example that I have here says AJ keeps a manual transaction record for the last month. And here grade 11s, you need to remember that we've selected the value account. So how much will AJ pay in service charges this month? And what is his final balance at the end of the month? So we start off with a balance of $43.98.40 and look at the number of transactions. So he used an ATM, he used another bank's ATM, and we know right away from the from his value account that is a $1.50 charge right away. So we're going to subtract $1.50. Then he uses his bank cards. Then he gets a birthday gift. Then he deposits $50. And so what we're going to do is we're going to track all these transactions. So here's one transaction. Here's two transactions, three transactions, four transactions, a $50 ATM gift. That's actually a transaction as well. That's the fifth one. Auto withdrawal. 6 transactions, 7 transactions, 8 transactions. Actually, let me just make one quick adjustment. The auto, he used a teller, so that's going to be another $1 charge. So this becomes 5th. This is the 6th transaction, 7th transaction. The direct deposit is your 8th transaction, 9, 10. And as we continue down, there's 11 transactions here for $8.59 on the bank card. Direct deposit is the 12th transaction, and then he used another teller, so that is another $1 minus $1. So he did a total of 14 transactions. Now, AJ made a total of 14 transactions. Of these, there are 3 transactions that cost AJ some money. So he did, one of them was an other ATM, and that cost him a service fee of $1.50 each time. And then he did 2 transactions of $1 because he used a teller. So that's a $1 fee each time. And then anytime he does more than 10 transactions, it's 50 cents. So he loses 50 cents each time greater than 10 transactions. So it says to calculate AJ's final balance, it's necessary to subtract each withdrawal and to add each deposit to get the balance of each transaction. So make sure to include the service charges as well. So for this example, the calculations are written in the balance column. You are not required to do this when completing this type of question. Do the calculations on your calculator and just fill in the answer. So what we've done here is this is a fully completed example. So again, he started off with $43.89.40. We have a $100 withdrawal, so it's $42.98.40. And then he went and did another transaction, but this time from another from another bank, so it costs $1.50. And you can sort of see the $40 withdrawal plus the $1.50 fee became $42.56.90. Now he went to lunch, paid on his debit card $12.95, so we reduced his balance by $12.95. He went and bought groceries, which we reduced by $174.32. He got a birthday gift, which we include $50. He went and saw a teller, so that we reduced the phone bill by $62.31, as well as the $1 service fee, and then a car payment, a cash payment at the ATM, which we withdrew $100, a direct deposit paycheck of $586.21, so that increases his balance. And then he pays his rent, so it reduces by $790. a bank card payment of $58.21 for groceries, a lunch payment of $8.59, so we reduced it by $8.59, and then a paycheck of 50. What? No, he received a paycheck, but there's a service fee for that because now he's gone over his allowed 10 transactions, and then a dollar fee because he went and saw a teller to pay the gas bill. Now, the grand total at the end of AJ's final balance is a grand total of $3,887.51. So you need to be mindful of all the transactions, and then as soon as he's gone over the 10 transactions, then it's 50 cents for each transaction. Plus, well, a dollar because he went and saw a teller. All right. So here is an assignment number 3, and hopefully you can do this. I will give you the answer key for this momentarily.